guys, I am about to start day 2 of meds, and so today, since I'm by myself today, I thought I would film what it is for me doing my meds. So I'll show you like mixing the Menopur. I already mixed my Gonal-F yesterday and I had more left over, so I don't need to do that today. And then give my 2 injections. So I thought I would vlog that today so you can see what that process is like for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I've got everything I need here. I have my sharps container, my Gonal-F and my stim shot for that, my alcohol swabs to clean the meds, the needle for my Menopur, the mixing needle and the Q-cap, and then over here I just have my Clomid. So here we go. Okay, so first I'm going to get my Gonal-F med ready. So I'm just opening my syringe, carefully removing the cap. My dosage is 225 IUs. So you do that, and then pull down all the way to 225. Flick it just to get any air bubbles out, and then remove it. And then just tap it again for air bubbles, and then push up and get out. Get one little tiny drop needs to come out. There it is. So my Gonal-F is now ready to inject, so I'm going to set that there. And now I'm going to do the hard part, which is mixing my Menopur. So for Menopur, I have to mix, the Menopur comes in a powder, so then I mix that with sodium chloride. So I pop off my cap to my sodium chloride and my Menopur. And then I have to take an alcohol swab and clean the top of both of these just to get rid of any germs. Set that aside and let those dry. And while that's going on, I'm going to get my Q-cap ready to mix. So this is what a Q-cap is. It's this little thing that, and so instead of mixing with this giant large needle, I am able to mix with the Q-cap lid instead. So first things first, I remove the big syringe and I take off that big scary needle, and that goes in the sharps container. Thank goodness. Oops. So now I'm gonna twist the Q-cap onto the syringe, and it's gonna look like this instead of a needle. And so then I'll take my sodium chloride and I'm going to pop that right on there and take out 1 milliliter. Oh, you know what? Forgot. First, you pull back about 1 milliliter to get the air in there. There we go. Push the air in and then remove 1 milliliter, and you know you're gonna have to remove more than that, and then push it up more. Okay, so then you'll push it up until it gets to 1 milliliter. Stop. Remove the sodium chloride. Place that on the Menopur. So you're mixing what's now in here, the sodium chloride, into your Menopur powder. And you just push that on. Push it all in. You're not supposed to shake it, just to gently twist it between your fingers, like this, until there is no powder substance left. So once it looks clear, I'll give it another second. You will take off, oh no, I'm sorry. You pull it back into, so I'll get the needle ready. This one right here is the one we use to inject the Menopur, which is the same size as the Gonal-F. So I have that needle ready to go. The Menopur looks good. So I'm gonna take out all of the liquid that I just put into the Menopur. So all of that comes out as much as possible. You might have to flick. And then it will go and it's ready to inject. So you'll twist off the now empty Menopur vial and you will place on your needle. Now we will do the same thing we did with the Gonal-F, which is push up until 1 drop of water comes out. And you won't be able to see this on camera, so. Perfect. That's good to go. Put the cap back on. And now the worst part, we have to use them. Okay, so my doctor said you're supposed to do the shots on like alternating sides. So tonight I'm gonna do them on this side. So I have to clean the skin again with an alcohol swab where I'm gonna be injecting, which is, I'm just gonna go everywhere. Okay, and then I'm gonna wait for that to dry for a second because I've heard that if you do it right away that it burns because you're putting like the needle into the alcohol and then into your skin, So first, I always do my Gonal-F first, the doctor said, because the Menopur burns, like you saw in my vlog last night. So she said that it's better to do the first one and then the Menopur so that you don't hesitate. Okay, so I think that it's ready. So then I'm just gonna, oh my god, I hate this. Pinch my skin as much as I can. Get my needle ready. The harder you pinch, the less it hurts. So here we go. Gonal-F. Oh, I'm bleeding a lot more on this side. Look at that. You can see it. I need to clean that off. That's strange because I barely had a dot of blood last night with my injections. So I'm wondering if this, because these you can't see. There's 2 tiny little dots from my injections yesterday, which I don't see any bruising coming of that, but with this having a ton more blood, I don't know, maybe. Oh, I hate this one. Okay, it's time for the Menopur one. Oh, I don't want to do this. Okay. Again. Oh, okay. Pinch the skin, pinch the skin, pinch the skin. And in it goes. Why does this hurt so bad? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we have it. 2 injections for the night. Good to go. And that one didn't bleed, just the first one. That's so weird. So there you have it. That is how I do my meds. It looks like it stopped bleeding. This side, I feel like this side is gonna bruise and the other side didn't, so we'll see about that. But there's day 2 done, and I'm just gonna take my pills now and count down the days till egg retrieval. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.